Yep, I get to smoke indoors now. Makes me kind of happy. Kinda. Um, but hey, I got some wine to go with it too, so I guess I'm a little bit more happier. I've had better. It's fine. It's still wine. But I'm actually here to. Oh man. I'm sorry, I just came across an old drawing I did. It's a hand, but designed to the shape and color of a rug I once saw for someone I like. And I kind of lost train of thought. I'm a little tipsy. Yeah, I'm gonna read a poem. I'm gonna read this poem because it was reblogged earlier by a girl who said at the end of the post that she wanted it to be read aloud, or at least heard aloud. But this was something I wrote earlier today in the afternoon. I wrote it out of romantic spontaneity, so it took me like 10 minutes to just like put it all together. Which, there's merit to that too. Not always, but there is. Just writing on the spot. This is one of them. So let's see how you all like it. It's titled The Sound of a Clock. Solitude measures and ticking, talking all day and night about how long we've continued to sit here. Not concerned with how much darker the dark grows or how much lighter light shines. Even as we perpetuate over the koan of the sound of just a single hand, we may answer. We do not know until we've listened to our wrists. While we sit in the unabridged quiet, collecting seconds per breath, per aftermath, among the unforgettable river Lethe, forgetting already the forgetfulness of ring cycles, bicycles, or cyclonic windstorms. It has always been passing through, as if we're to believe the world is in a constant state of change, though maybe its absence, like the thread woven through a quilt, may not need to sound like anything we may not even remember or have experienced. Give moments their moment, to the minutiae of minutes dueling for a duet, prancing for minuets. 3/4 never add up to a whole dollar, but paying attention always makes sense in strangest ways. Stranger than fiction, like a strange family imagined in slow motion. Waving like the zodiac, blinking blankly at night. The 12 tribes of Israel circling a coat of dreams. Of course, we cannot hear these things. There's the answer that we've waited on for so long in a waiting room, wondering about Father. And that's it. And before I go, still don't know how I feel about that, but I hope you all have a good evening, morning, afternoon, any time of day you are currently experiencing. So, farewell, be well, goodbye.